I'm back once again at Traders Village, Grand Prairie, Texas, where you can save money and have fun. And the most fun is going to be on the Prairie Screamer roller coaster. It is now complete. Last week, that final turn was only halfway installed. It had stopped about right there. Now they've got the final few sections of track going into the brake run. And there is no track left to install. The circuit is finished. This is formerly the Scandia Screamer from Scandia Amusement Park in Ontario, California. It was purchased and saved and refurbished, completely repainted, white structure with green track. Traders Village bought it, and it is almost ready to roll. I'm just walking over to show you the station. Half of the roof has been installed. The framework for the roof over the station has been installed. That one done last week. Still no motor. The chain lift has not been installed yet. I'm gonna trace the ride. Up the lift hill. A right turn and down the first drop. Up into that high turn, turn number 2. Second drop. Whoops. Into turn number 3. Down another drop. Into turn number 4. Drop off of turn 4 is really small. Then it goes into this awesome looking camelback hill. You can see the trim brake going into the next turn. Drop off of that turn and up over another camelback hill into another turn, all right turns, small drop, a bunny hill which has a trim brake right there that you can't see. Well, let's see if we can see it. There it is. You see the trim brake. Down that hill. And into the final turn at the very end. Into the brake run. Scandia Screamer. It may not look or sound very exciting, but this coaster has major airtime, very intense laterals. It's a wonderfully fun ride. I will once again link Canopy Coaster's excellent video on what the Scandia Screamer was like in California. It has point of view on-ride video and off-ride, and he does a great job describing what the ride was like. I haven't ridden it yet, but that will change soon. I'm gonna find out when they're expecting to open it. You can hear the sounds of people screaming in the background on the swinging ship. Larson Super Loops is starting up. That's because it's now standard time and they're open later. They're open till 8 or 9 now. So Prairie Playland, which is the ride section, is now open late. I can't think of much else to say, so I'll see you next week.